Hello students, here now I am going to discuss the problem related to gradient or vector differential operator del, which is applied to the scalar function. So see the problem here. Find the normal vector to the surface x square y plus 2xy is 4z at the point 2 minus 2 3. So here surface is given. Suppose it is the surface. The given surface is, let it be some f, so that is f of xyz equal to c, and we have to find out a normal at the point p. So that is, here point is 2 minus 2 3. So here we have to find out normal to the surface. So normal to the surface is denoted with n bar. So this n bar we have to compute. So what is the formula for n bar? N bar is del phi or del f. So for this, given level surface is denoted with f of xyz. So f of xyz is x square y plus 2xy minus 4z equal to 0. While defining the given function, just take a 4z on left hand side, then it will becomes negative 4z, and the given point is p of xyz is p of 2 minus 2 3. So is the given point. Now we have to find out the required normal to the surface. The normal to the surface is modulus of is del phi. So but what is the formula for del phi? Del phi is I dou phi by dou x plus j bar dou phi by dou y plus k bar dou phi by dou z. But here we are defining phi with f, so that here phi is replaced with f. The scalar point function is generally denoted with phi or f or g or h. Any function may be defined. So I into dou by dou x of f, but what is f here? X square y plus 2xy minus 4z plus j bar dou by dou y of x square y plus 2xy minus 4z plus k bar into dou by dou z of x square y plus 2xy minus 4z. So that is I bar into dou by dou x of x square y, differentiating partially with respect to x, keeping yz as constant. So y keep it as constant, x square derivative is 2x plus 2xy derivative. 2y keep it as a silent, x derivative is 1 minus 4z derivative is 0 plus j bar into dou by dou y, differentiating partially with respect to y, keeping xz as a constant. So x square keep it as a silent, y derivative is 1 plus 2x keep it as a silent, y derivative is 1 minus 4z derivative 0 plus k bar into dou by dou z, differentiating partially with respect to z, keeping xy as constant. So x square y derivative 0, 2xy derivative 0, minus a 4z derivative. So here minus 4 is constant, z derivative is 1. So this will be del f. So del f is 2xy plus 2y into I plus x square plus 2x into j minus 4k bar. But we have to find out the normal to the surface at which point? At the point 2 minus 2 3. Hence the required normal to the surface. F of xyz equal to C is del f at the point 2 minus 2 3. So here we have already done del f, just we have to replace x as 2, y as minus 2 and z as 3. So replacing these values, 2 into minus 2, so that is 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8, so we are having minus, so that minus 8 plus 2y minus 4 into I bar plus x square plus 2x. X square means 2 square, 2 square is 4 plus 2x, 2 into 2 4 into j. In last term is free from xyz, which does not contain any xyz. Minus 4k bar is there, just we have to write minus 4k bar. So on simplifying, minus 8 minus 4 minus 12I bar plus 8j bar minus 4k bar. So it is the required normal to the surface. Now coming to second sum. So here the problem is find the unit normal to the vector to the surface. Same surface is given, same point is given, but the problem is find the unit normal vector to the surface. In above sum already we have done normal to the surface, so that is del f at the point 2 minus 2 3. But here we have to find out unit normal vector to the surface. So required unit normal vector. But what is unit normal vector? Del f upon modulus of del f. So del f is minus 12i plus 8j minus 4k and modulus of del f. Modulus of del f means whose magnitude? Magnitude is square root of minus 12 whole square 144, 8 square 64, minus 4 whole square 16. So it is the value of unit normal to the surface. So required unit normal vector to the surface is minus 12i plus 8j minus 4k by square root of 144 plus 64 plus 16. 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 6 11, 11 plus 1 12, 1 plus 1 2. So it is the value of unit normal vector to the surface. Thank you.